Discover how AI revolutionizes finance with intelligent automated systems. Welcome to the AI Plus Finance Agent Certification by AI CERTs. Learn about AI-powered financial agents and systems for efficiency and accuracy in modern operations. AI is changing finance from analysis to decision-making. Without understanding AI-driven finance, professionals miss faster workflows and smarter decisions, capabilities developed through the AI Plus Finance Agent Certification by AI CERTs. The AI Plus Finance Agent Certification applies artificial intelligence to modern financial operations, analytics, and decision-making. The course covers AI-enhanced financial analysis, automated accounting and reconciliation, and intelligent risk assessment, enabling faster insights, improved accuracy, and stronger financial controls. You will also learn predictive forecasting and cash flow modeling, along with Intelligent Finance Agent, designed to automate workflows, support planning, and optimize performance. The program emphasizes ethical AI use in finance, preparing professionals for data-driven environments, validated by AI CERTs. The AI Plus Finance Agent Certification is designed for finance professionals, investment and portfolio specialists, fintech enthusiasts, data and technology professionals, and business leaders and decision-makers who want to apply AI to modern financial operations. Participants gain AI skills in financial analysis, automation, forecasting, and risk assessment. They design AI finance agents, collaborate, and make decisions, preparing for AI roles in finance, validated by AI CERTs. The AI Plus Finance Agent Certification builds AI skills for finance. Learners collaborate on AI financial analysis, automation, forecasting, and risk assessment. They design AI agents for accounting, investment, fintech, and enterprise finance, validated by AI CERTs. Backed by global standards, AI CERTs certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join the AI Plus Finance Agent Certification by AI CERTs to master AI-driven financial intelligence. Gain skills in finance agents, predictive analysis, and risk-aware decision-making to enhance efficiency and impact in financial operations. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore AI's role in finance with the AI Plus Finance Agent Certification by AI CERTs. See how intelligent agents improve analysis, forecasting, risk, and decisions, making operations faster and smarter, validated by AI CERTs. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.